Hey guys, this is Nick G from Dirt King Fabrication. Today we're going to be explaining the difference between our mid-travel, long travel, and long travel race kits. Starting with our mid-travel kit, this is going to be our tubular or boxed upper control arm. You can pair these control arms with an OE replacement coilover. This allows you to maintain your factory width and still gain an additional 1 inch of droop travel. This maintains your on-road drivability while increasing your off-road capability. Next is our long travel kit. This kit is a 07 to 18 GM 1500 long travel kit. This kit's going to feature boxed upper control arms, boxed lower control arms, our upper and lower control arm spacer kits, our Dirt King Fabrication alignment cam kit, extended brake lines, machined steering extensions, our limit strap mounting clevis. It's also going to include limit straps and all mounting hardware. On average, these kits are in between 3 to 3.5 inches wider per stock and offer up to a 50% increase in wheel travel over factory. Most of our kits are between 12 to 15 inches of wheel travel. These use a 8-inch coilover, and most do accommodate for a bypass as well. Next up is our long travel race kit. Just like the long travel kit, this kit is going to feature a boxed upper, a boxed lower. The difference between our race kit is it does have a fabricated knuckle. These do accept the OEM hub assemblies as well as ABS system. The big difference between the long travel and the race kit is that this does require you to cut off your factory upper shock mount, and it replaces it with our fabricated shock tower. This kit also has a Heim steering kit with machined inner steering clevis. It's going to have the same clevis mounting kit for the limit straps themselves, the extended brake lines, as well as our frame reinforcement kit and our weld-on reservoir mounts. These race kits are 4.25 inches wider per side and can give you up to a 100% increase in wheel travel, coming in at 17.5 inches of usable wheel travel. These use a 10-inch stroke shock instead of an 8-inch, so it does allow for the additional travel over the long travel kit. When picking a kit, you're going to want to look at your driving conditions and needs. Unfortunately, it is not a simple task upgrading from mid-travel to long travel and then long travel to long travel race. As mentioned previously, the mid-travel kit does maintain your factory width, whereas the long travel kit is going to be an increased track width over stock. So if you do have our mid-travel upper, it's not going to be as simple as buying our lower control arm because you do need that upper to match the existing width of the long travel kit. As with the upgrade from the mid-travel kit to the long travel kit, upgrading from the long travel kit to the race kit, you would not have an easy upgrade. As mentioned before, this kit is 4.25 inches wider per side, whereas the long travel kits are 3 to 3.5, so it would not be as simple as replacing just the spindle. Our spindle is engineered and designed to work exclusively with our race kit upper and lower control arms. We do have 3 trucks that have these kits installed. Let's go take a look at them and explain the difference. Here we have the 3 trucks on display. We have a 2019 Chevy Silverado that has our mid-travel kit on it, a 2019 Sierra that has our long travel kit on it, and a 2017 Silverado that has our long travel race kit. Let's take a look at the difference between the 3 kits and see which kit's right for you. This 2019 Chevy Silverado has our mid-travel kit on it. This is going to be an Elka 2.5 coilover along with the Dirt King Fabrication tubular upper control arm. The mid-travel is great for people who are looking to maintain their on-road drivability. In most applications, it'll allow for up to 3 inches of lift, and along with that can go a larger tire as well. This is going to maintain your on-road driving while also increasing your off-road capability. In most applications, with the combination of upper control arm and OE coilover, this will allow for an additional inch of droop travel. Moving on to this 2019 GMC Sierra, this truck is equipped with our long travel kit. The long travel kit in most applications is going to be 3 to 3.5 inches wider per side over stock. We can run our long travel spec coilovers, and in most applications, you can run our long travel spec bypasses. This kit on average will give you over 50% more suspension travel than factory and allow for 3 to 4 inches of lift and clearance for up to 37-inch tires. This long travel kit is a great option for people who are going to aggressively use their trucks in the dirt as well as drive them on the street. For the ultimate off-road performance, this 2017 Chevy Silverado is equipped with our long travel race kit. This is going to be a boxed upper, boxed lower. The difference between the long travel kit and our race kit is that this also has a fabricated spindle, and whereas our long travel kit uses an 8-inch stroke shock, our race kit uses a 10-inch stroke shock for more bump travel and droop travel. This kit has a fabricated shock tower as well as engine crossover. On average, your long travel kit's going to be 12 to 15 inches of travel, whereas your race kit is going to be 17 to 18 inches of travel. Now that we've reviewed the front, let's check out the rear on each truck. Moving on to the rear of this mid-travel Silverado, this truck features the Elka 2.5 smooth body shock. We paired that with the OEM leaf spring to maintain the factory towing capability. Now let's check out the rear of this 2019 Sierra. This truck features our prefab bed cage, King 3.0 by 16 bypass shock. It also has the Deaver R81 springs and the Dirt King fabrication long travel shackle kit. To match the long travel front end on this truck, this customer chose our Ultra 4-link kit. This kit is a parallel 4-link with panhard bar. It features a 2.5 coilover, 3.0 bypass, and is about 22 inches of travel. That wraps up our comparison on mid-travel versus long travel kit. If you have any questions on what kit is right for you, check out our website at dirtkingfabrication.com or reach out to our sales team. You can also check us out on Instagram at DirtKing.